What an incredible day today. GMID and One Talks. This is a day where we actually celebrate our vibrant industry and what we do for each other. We had interactive speakers talking about play and resiliency and how to just manage our business with ChatGPT. Rob Barber came in talking about the Super Bowl. The benefit of the day was actually being able to get some education in, learn a little bit, and then reconnect with colleagues. We don't seem to take enough time to just actually reconnect with all our industry partners that we work with on a day-to-day basis. Also, another very important part about the day was the SAIT students. They come in, they help us plan this right from start to finish. They pick the design, the food menus, they look at the speakers. So really great to work with our next generation and see how they're coming up and how they're growing, and just to help them along and give them different opportunities. So what a fantastic day to spend with this amazing industry.